is Amrish's pick of the day. Amrish, you might want to listen to the next piece, and I'm sure you've got this. This is not so much about this stock or that stock, but about what the way the market functions and the steps the regulator is taking to make sure it functions well. SEBI is clamping down on use of social media for stock price manipulation. It's identified 2 cases, passed orders in both these cases. Yash is standing by with the details. Yash, over to you.
Well, Prashant, this is the first of its kind from market regulator SEBI. 2 orders against 2 companies on charges of misuse of social media for price manipulation. The 2 companies are Sadhana Broadcast and Sharpline Broadcast. Interestingly, share prices of both companies were artificially inflated through propagating false and misleading information via YouTube. The modus operandi was of a group of individuals purchasing these shares at a much lower price and then uploading false and misleading videos on YouTube, recommending buying the same shares on these YouTube channels. Now, these YouTube channels had lakhs of subscribers and the videos received crores in viewership. These false and misleading videos were then boosted by promotion through paid advertising campaigns. The natural outcome of this process was a spurt in volumes and the price of the shares, helping certain KMPs and people in the know of the matter offload their shares. Now, notices mentioned by SEBI in its order against the 2 companies included creators of YouTube channel, net sellers and profit makers, also the volume creators. SEBI has been able to establish a connection between all these 3 categories of individuals. Now, in the case of Sadhana Broadcast, SEBI has named 31 people as notices, which include actor Arshad Warsi and his wife, Maria Goretti Warsi, who made profits of 29 lakh and 38 lakh respectively. In its order in the Sadhana price manipulation case, SEBI has barred all notices from accessing capital markets till further notice. All these notices will also have to square off their open derivative position, if any, within a period of 3 months or at the expiry of such contracts, whichever comes earlier. Also, certain notices will have to disgorge the illegal gains of nearly 42 crore as penalty. Now, in the case of Sharpline Broadcast, SEBI has named 24 people as notices. All these notices have been barred from accessing the capital markets till further notice from the regulator. All notices will again have to square off their positions within 3 months or the expiry of such contract. And as far as the penalty is concerned, these notices will have to disgorge the illegal gains of about 12 crore as penalty.
All right, Yash, thanks very much for that. So first order coming in from the regulator SEBI, clamping down on misuse of social media platforms, YouTube in this case, for purposes of ramping up price manipulation of individual scripts. Thanks very much. Time for a quick break here. There's 6 minutes to go for market closing. We are back. Amrish is with us. Stay with us.